Hey guys, in today's video, I'll teach you a few simple and easy tricks in CapCut that can improve your editing style and save hours when working in CapCut. These include animating text effects and some glow effects for your videos. Let's start. So first we'll make a shimmer effect on the text. Type your text and copy it. Change its color to white. And then turn it into a compound clip. Then go to Video, Mask, and select Film Strip. Then make it smaller and add feathering. Adjust its position. Then add a keyframe in the beginning and in the end. Here is the result. Next, we will learn how to make gradient text. First, duplicate your text and change its color. Then create a compound clip of this text. Add split masking onto it and adjust its feathering and position from which direction you want your gradient to come from. It's this simple. Next trick is text reveal. Add your text and adjust it. Then add masking and select circle. Now add keyframes after a break, and on every keyframe change its position. You can see the reveal effect here, but you can use graphs to adjust and make it look smooth. Last trick is for your videos to give a cinematic glow effect. You don't need to create a compound clip. This is just for preview for before and after. Add dreamy glow effect and tweak its settings according to your liking. You can adjust it according to your video, play with the settings of this effect. You can see the glow it gives into our clip and makes it look cinematic. You can also adjust other settings of the video as you see it fit. That's it for today's video. Hope it helps you guys, and please don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment. Thank you.